Hello everyone, this is Mansi from evidyati.in. Coming to question number 3, exercise 13.2. So, in this question we have say true or false and justify your answer. अब आपको बताना है यहाँ पे जो आपको given है वो true है या false है, means it is right or wrong. And also आपको अपने आंसर को justify करना है, means बताना है कि क्यों सही है या क्यों गलत है. So, first part है 10 into 10 raised to the power 11 is equals to 100 raised to the power 11. So means कि पहले हम ये solve करेंगे फिर ये solve करेंगे and we will find कि ये equal है या नहीं. So starting with the LHS, that is left hand side. So left hand side में हमारे पास है 10 into 10 raised to the power 11. Now again ये multiply हो रहा है and according to law of exponent अगर बेस सेम है पावर्स अलग है सो ये पावर्स ऐड हो जाती हैं. सो दिस विल बी a raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n is equals to a m plus n, right? So now this will be ये बेस सेम है तो ये हो जाएगा 10 1 plus 11. यहाँ पे कोई भी पावर नहीं थी मीन्स 1. So 1 plus 11 will be 10 raised to the power 12. राइट सो ये था हमारा LHS. अब यहाँ पे आया 10 raised to the power 12. कमिंग टू द RHS. सो राइट हैंड साइड में हमारे पास है 100 raised to the power 11. अब अगर मुझे इसको कुछ आगे फर्दर सॉल्व करना है सो वो मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ. सी ये जो 100 है हम इस 100 को 10 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज 100 इज 10 into 10 is 100. So means 100 को मैं 10 स्क्वायर या 10 raised to the power 2 लिख सकती हूँ. So what I'll do is I'll write this 100 as 10 raised to the power 2 and 11. अब यहाँ पे मैं लॉ अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ that is power of power. As we know a raised to the power n raised to the power n will be equal to a m into n. यही होता है हमारा लॉ. So this means this will be equal to 10 2 into 11. Multiply हो जाएंगी powers. So this will be 10 and 2 into 11 is 22. So we can see left hand side पे है 10 raised to the power 12. Right hand side पे है 10 raised to the power 22. So this means LHS is not equals to RHS. This means the given statement is false because ये justify नहीं हो रहा. और ये जो हमने किया है इसकी हेल्प से हमें पता चला कि ये false है. So this was the first part. Now let's come to the next part. Now coming to the second part. Second part में है 2 raised to the power 3 is greater than 5 raised to the power 2. अब हमें देखना है ये सही है या गलत. So again लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे. हमारे पास है 2 raised to the power 3. Now obviously इसका तो कोई ऐसा नहीं कि इसमें हम लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे. ये बहुत सिंपल सा है. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 को हम 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this means left hand side आ गया 8. Now moving to the right hand side. So right hand side में हमारे पास है 5 square which means 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Now we can see जो right hand side है वो बड़ा है. So अगर हम कहीं 2 क्यूब बड़ा है so this is wrong. So this means यहाँ पे आ जाएगा this statement is false. ठीक है because RHS is greater than LHS and not LHS. ठीक है ना. So this was part number 2. Now let's come to the next part. Now coming to the fourth part. Fourth part में हमारे पास है 3 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1000 raised to the power 0. Now see LHS means इसमें हमें given है 3 raised to the power 0. So 3 raised to the power 0 will be 1 because we know anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So अगर ये चीज है so this means कि जो हमारा RHS है which is 1000 raised to the power 0 वो भी 1 होगा, right? So this means over here LHS is equals to RHS. दोनों 1 1 आ गए. So this means this statement is true. ठीक है. So this was the last part of question number 3. Now let's come to the next question. Now coming to the third part. Third part में है 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2 is equals to 6 raised to the power 5. Now you can see यहाँ पे ना तो बेस सेम है ना पावर सेम है, मीन्स कोई लॉ अप्लाई नहीं हो सकता. So we'll solve the LHS, that is 2 cube into 3 square. So 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 multiply by 3 square is 3 into 3. Right? So ये हो जाएगा 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 into 3. Which will be 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So this means this is equals to 72. So my left hand side आ गई 72. Now coming to the right hand side. So right hand side, which is our RHS, 6 raised to the power 5 is given. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 6 होगा. So this will be 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Now 36 into 6. 36 into 6 will be 6 6 are 36 again. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. So ये आ गया 216. Now 216 into 36. पहले तो हमें यहीं से ही पता चल रहा है कि बड़ा आंसर ही आएगा. But still let's solve this. So 216 multiplied by 36 will be 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 7 8 9. 6 2s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. So this will be 6 and 8 plus 9 is 17. 4 5 6 7 and 7. So this means we will get 7776 and we can clearly see that LHS is not equals to RHS. So this means this statement is also false. Now this was the third part. Now let's come to the next part.